Replacing the M-CORE series cartridge. The first step to any successful plumbing installation is preparation. To be sure you understand the scope of this project, Moen recommends watching this entire video before you begin. In this video, we will demonstrate the replacement of an M-CORE 3 series cartridge. Please note, this is an advanced project. Moen recommends installation by a professional plumber. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools for the project. Moen recommends using a Phillips screwdriver, adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers, an adjustable wrench, a 3/32" hex wrench, and safety glasses. Before starting any plumbing project, be sure to shut off the home's main water supply. If you aren't sure where the main shutoff is located, contact your local water company for assistance. Once you've completed this task, turn on a faucet at the lowest point in the home to drain the lines. If you have any questions throughout the installation process, please call Moen Consumer Services. Now you're ready to remove an M-CORE 3 series cartridge. First, remove the lever handle screw with a 3/32" hex wrench and remove the handle. Then, remove the decorative sleeve. Remove the cartridge nut with an adjustable wrench and pull out the cartridge. Remove the balancing puck assembly. Then, remove the adapter with check valves. Next, we'll show you how to install the M-CORE 3 series cartridge. First, we'll demonstrate a 4-port valve body cartridge installation. A 4-port valve body will have a hole inside located at the 6 o'clock position. Using the provided packet, apply grease to the inside of the valve bore. Align the tab on the check adapter with the hole inside the valve body. Then, install the adapter. Align the 2 posts on the back of the cartridge assembly with the adapter. Next, we'll demonstrate a 3-port valve body cartridge installation. For a 3-port valve, the hole inside the valve body is positioned at the 12 o'clock position. Using the provided packet, apply grease to the inside of the valve bore. Align the tab on the check adapter with the hole inside the valve body. Then, install the adapter. Align the 2 posts on the back of the cartridge assembly with the adapter. To complete this project, you'll be adding the remaining trim. First, thread on the cartridge nut included with the trim kit. Tighten it by hand. Then, snug with a wrench. Next, you'll install the decorative sleeve. Then align the mounting plate and snap ring in the proper position. Once the snap ring is centered on the sleeve, secure it to the valve using the 2 included screws. Next, snap on the escutcheon plate. Then place the handle on the cartridge stem and secure it with the set screw. Congratulations! Your cartridge replacement is complete. For more specific instructions, please refer to your printed instruction sheets or call Moen Consumer Services.